In the late 1990s and early noughties, myself and a character called Andrew Pengelly managed several bars in London's West End. And we did a pretty good job, I'd say, on the whole, over the years. But one night, one of our regulars asked for a Cowboy Martini. Now, we'd heard of it. It had been created by the legend that was Mr. Dick Bradsell, but we'd never actually tried it. Now, Andy had an inkling as to what was in it, so we did our best to put something together that was going to match what this gentleman was expecting. Now, we made a damn fine cocktail that night. Unfortunately, it wasn't a Cowboy Martini, but we decided we needed a name for it, so we called ours the Cowboyed Martini, named after the two cowboy bartenders who threw that drink together on the spot. Anyway, I'm going to show you how we made it so you can have a go at home.